We're starting off here in JIRA. I have an issue open currently, and you can see the scenario plugin featured within this issue. The scenario plugin does work with any issue type in JIRA, including custom issue types. So you're allowed to use pretty much anything with scenario. In this case, you can actually see where we are linked to a specific repository, and you can see the address to that repository. You can see which master branch we're using, and we're also seeing the feature file that we have this issue tied to. If you are creating a brand new issue and trying to link it to an existing feature file in the repository, you'll be able to click the magnifying glass, get a list of the feature files in that repository, preview them, and then link it to the issue using this button. You can also unlink an issue if you've made a mistake. Down here at the bottom, you'll see a fully fledged Gherkin script editor, which is responsible for delivering changes and new feature files back to the repository that you've linked to. In this case, you can also see that I have some line highlighting going on here. This indicates that these tests are currently passing. So this is one of the features that we have, leveraging Pulse to be able to report back to the scenario plugin to let you know which individual steps have passed out of this issue. As a part of the scenario plugin, we also take existing feature steps and we will include those in a drop-down list so that you can reuse these. This will save your automation team's time from having to research whether or not a test step was already implemented, and it will allow them to reuse existing code. So it will definitely save you time there. If I add some arbitrary code to this particular feature and save it, it will commit this to my repository, and this will kick off my entire CI/CD process. If we click save, we'll get a notification in the upper right-hand corner saying that the feature file has been saved.